In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the no sound issue on PUBG Mobile. So we're going to start by selecting the upwards arrow in the bottom right hand side of the screen. And from here, you want to select settings. Then click on graphics and audio from the right hand side and select audio at the very top. Now, you just want to make sure all of these volume sliders are turned up to full, especially the master volume. You want to make sure this is enabled and is turned up like so. Once you've ensured that all of these sliders are turned up, including the voice chat, then we can close out of the settings window and you can check to see if that's fixed your sound issue. If that's not working, what you'll need to do is head over to the home screen on your phone, click on the settings icon, and then scroll down to sounds and haptics and click this. And where it says ringtone and alerts, you want to make sure this slider is turned up to full like so. And then we can come back to the settings menu, scroll up and select accessibility. Scroll down until you see audio and visual and click this. Scroll all the way down until you see the balance options, and you want to make sure the balance is set to the middle, which is 0.00. Once you've done this, once again, you can check to see if that solved your issue. If it's still not working, the last thing you want to do is make sure the volume is turned up on the side of your iPhone. You can do this just by selecting the volume icons like so. And you also want to make sure your phone isn't in silent mode, and you can do that just by flicking the switch on the left-hand side of your phone. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you fix the sound issues in PUBG Mobile. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.